Better lighting. Ooh, I'm giving y'all all the bare face in the world. What is this on my face? Anyway, yeah, I wish I would have gotten this all in one. I think for curly hair, just go for all one bundle. It needs to be layered because you're gonna have to cut it anyway. Anyway, so I'm about to get commenced to cutting this sucker. I am so scared because I'm trying to cut it in a way that I can move the part, because I like to wear this as a deep side part as well, a little bit flipped over like that. Is important to me. We'll be right back. Hey, so I just cut the hair. I'll probably end up cutting it some more, but I feel safe with this. And then I moved it over to do a side part just to see how it flows. Gotta get this hair to get whiter. And I think probably from cutting it or whatever the case may be. I always say whatever the case may be. I need to work on that big time. So let me finish doing my nails. I think I'm traveling, so I'm gonna wear this wig out today. It is super effing cold. I swear, I was just about to, side note, I was just about to sell my North Face that I have had for like at least 10 years because I'm like, I need to step my game up. And every time I think about selling that North Face, it's freezing. So traveling to New York today, which is going to be even more cold, and I just don't have it to be warm. So I will be bringing out my North Face today. Today's actually an exciting day. I'm traveling to New York later this evening, and then I'm actually going to Can play that game, the Sage Play, this afternoon. So I'm taking myself out, and yeah, I think I'm going to wear this wig, pack my other ones, just so I can continue to play with it in case any of my outfits this weekend kind of flow with this. And I have some scissors with me in case I need to cut it some more. I'm just putting water on it and hoping that it kind of like frizzes out. So and then we'll slay this sucker maybe a little bit later. So stay tuned.
Everybody, take each other. Yeah, girl, get it.